who loves to run. C is for cat, so fluffy and sweet. D is for dog with paws and feet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who jumps all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for horse with galloping feet. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, on the go. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L is for lion, king on top. M is for monkey, swinging high. N is for newt, crawling by. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin, in black and white. Q is for quail who chirps so small. R is for rabbit with a fluffy ball. S is for snake who slithers and slides. T is for tiger with orange stripes. U is for urchin from the sea. V is for vulture in a tree. W is for whale who sings a tune. X is for X-ray fish in a lagoon. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to wear.